Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TechFox and today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, open your WhatsApp and after then click on this three dot bar and from here choose settings. And now you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this photo and now click on this camera icon and choose gallery. Here you can choose a photo from avatar, or if you want to choose it from the gallery, then click on this gallery button. And now choose a photo. I'm choosing this Python icon. And after then click on this done button. And here you can see that my profile picture has been changed. That's all about today's video, how you can change your profile picture on WhatsApp. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.